I mean, I think that's going to happen. I think technology is going to allow us that to happen. But you're going to have a lot of robotic farming happening, and that's another question. But
Yeah.
but
Well, that's
I think-
robotic with these lasers. That's essentially what you're doing.
Yeah.
So that would
And
be
you're
the
going to have
solution.
drones doing this. You'll have drone swarms over farms killing the insects.
What about industrial fertilizer? What would be the solution to that?
And that's a little more difficult, particularly in some parts of the country. You need nutrients in the soil, but there's ways of growing, and Harris has shown this, where you can dramatically reduce the amount of petroleum-based fertilizers that you're using, dramatically, almost eliminate them.
Sure, but the scale of his farm and the scale of the production in comparison to these monocrop agriculture places that produce corn, I mean, these people are dealing with enormous amounts of crops. That's the question is, could that be scaled regeneratively? Could you get it to a point where you have organic farms only?
I think with technology, you're going to eliminate a lot of the pesticides and the herbicides. I think it's going to be much slower when you talk about fertilizers.
But is there a pathway for that?